Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing my fall clean and decorate with me. I am so ready to decorate for fall. I live in Wisconsin and normally by now it's pretty chilly outside, but it's been unusually warm, 70s, 80 degrees. And for those of you that are new, hi, I'm Danielle. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you stick around by hitting that subscribe button and join my growing YouTube family. And if you guys see this cute little boy running around in my video, or just kind of hanging out in the background, this is my son Bryson, and he will be 4 next month on the 13th. Can you say hi? He's gonna be shy. Wave, say hi everyone. So yep, this sweet little boy is my son. Mwah. And as far as the cleaning goes, my home isn't too messy. I'm just gonna be tidying up the main living areas that we're in the most. My kitchen and like our living room area. Just things need to be picked up and put away where they don't belong. And I need to vacuum and mop and just dust things off. So without further talking, I'm just gonna walk around my home and show you everything that's out of place. Okay, so here's just a little overview of my kitchen. This is what you call getting ready for school in the morning. These are just the dishes from last night. I made homemade chili. So yeah, just things not where they belong. Part of my fall decor over here, and that's a treadmill. So ignore that in the background, and just some of my husband's like work pants that need to be sewed. Laundry, these are towels that I need to fold. And then here's our living area. My son was just eating some chili. And then I have...
It's cold already.
He's cold already. Can you say hi? And just kind of some shoes all over the place. This bin has the rest of my fall decor in it that was from last year. And then I need to like shake the rug out and mop here, put that away in the garage. And I need to dust this off. This is our little fireplace area. My husband, I believe he got it at Home Depot a few years ago, and it's pretty dusty as you can see. Well, you can't see it, I guess, but just take my word for it. Maybe if this way, yeah, you can see. It's pretty dusty. And I also need to wipe the windows. There's just some smudges on the windows here. So yeah, this is just everything that I'm going to be cleaning up. Ignore our carpet. We are currently renting, and I do shampoo it every once in a while, but when you have 2 kids, yeah, white carpet doesn't mix. So let's get started. Okay. Yeah. Goofy.
I'll see.
Alright you guys, I thought it would be fun to play a game of this or that, fall edition, down in the comments. If you'd like to play along, grab a pen and paper because I have a bunch of fun questions for you. So the first one of this or that is apple pie or pumpkin pie. I really enjoy both, but if I had to pick only one, I'd say apple pie. Now I cannot take credit for this fun game. All the credit goes to Amy. And here on YouTube, her channel name is Amy Darley. She was so sweet in letting me borrow this fun idea. She lives in Savannah, Georgia with her hilarious and supportive husband, Chance, and their 2 kids, a son, Kason, and a daughter, Gracie June. Oh, and I cannot forget about their dog, Cooper. I love seeing him in her videos. If you enjoy cleaning, lifestyle, home decor, and hauls, she is your girl. Please go check her out and let her know I sent you. Subscribe to her channel if you aren't already. You will not regret it. I know you're going to love her just as much as I do. And Amy, if you're watching, thank you so much, girl. You are truly the sweetest.
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to be vacuuming the living room and this area rug. Now me and this area rug, we have a love-hate relationship. I absolutely love the color and the pattern / style, but it is definitely a pain in my butt to vacuum. It takes me at least 5 minutes to vacuum it because of how it's styled. It's thicker in certain areas. Now we don't have a kitchen table because our apartment is too small for one, so we do our eating at this coffee table. So that also makes for more crumbs.
I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
Now here I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping the floor, wiping down the front door window, vacuuming out the shoe storage, we bought that at IKEA, and wiping it down. also wanted to mention that if you have any questions as to where pieces are from my home, please don't hesitate to ask down in the comments. I would be more than happy to answer. Hey guys, we're getting to the end of the cleaning portion of this video. I hope it gave you some great motivation to clean your home. In a little bit, I'm going to start decorating for fall. I hope it'll inspire you to decorate your home if you haven't started yet. You guys, I cannot even tell you how excited I was to be finally decorating for fall. So throughout the next bit of clips, you will see me moving pieces around until I felt it looked good. It can be a bit overwhelming figuring out which pieces go together and in the perfect spot. I moved things around a lot and even walked away to start on another area and then came back with fresh eyes. Just be patient, and most importantly, have fun. I absolutely love how everything turned out. Make sure you watch through the end for the final reveal. You're not going to want to miss it. Okay, you guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I did filming it for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the final decor reveal. I'll also be leaving my answers to the this or that game down in the comments and the link to Amy's channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!